When it comes to doing fretwork on your guitar, you have three different levels of experience, from beginner to advanced, and today I'm just going to show you the three different levels that you can progress to fairly easily, which anyone can attain, and see where you're at. At the very beginning stages of fretwork, you want to at least learn how to polish your frets. Now I'm using steel wool here. You can also use something called micro mesh pads, which is basically like a nail buffer style material. It's a very fine sandpaper. And this is not only going to help the playability of your guitar in terms of those bends, but it's also going to increase the life of your frets, because less friction means less chance of worn indents. So if you've ever tried to level your frets, then I'd say that's getting into the intermediate level. So here I'm using a tool that makes it very easy. It's sort of mimicking the Stuart McDonald fret kisser, but before you level the frets, you have to make sure that they're seated properly. So you have to check them with your fret rocker or a feeler gauge to see if they're popped up. And if it is popped up, then you have to learn how to hammer it down. So you can get a proper fretting hammer, or you can use something like I'm using here, which is just a brass rod or a screwdriver with the end cut off, which will allow you to use a regular hammer. Now, if you're also at this level, you might try gluing your frets. Now, you'll find different opinions on this, because some people would prefer to actually pull the fret out and replace it, but I find sometimes just a bit of glue on the fret end will do the trick. But if you have been doing this for a while and you're at the more advanced stage and you're comfortable pulling out a fret, then I could understand why you wouldn't want to glue it. Now, pulling a fret is actually a lot easier than you think, but it tends to be something that people shy away from. That's why I would put it in the more advanced category. Also, because there's quite a few considerations that you have to think about when you're pulling a fret: the type of wood you're using, the type of fret wire you're putting in, properly cleaning out the slot. Are you gluing it? Are you not gluing it? So that's why I'd put pulling a fret in the more advanced category. Let me know in the comments below where you're at with your guitar repair. Are you completely new? You've never even polished your frets? Are you a beginner? You've done some polishing. Maybe you've attempted a few things. Are you an intermediate, where you've seated your frets? Maybe you've tried gluing them. Maybe you've tried leveling them, crowning them. You have all the tools, but you're not quite sure where you're at. Or are you advanced? You've done all those things and you're at the point where you're comfortable enough to pull a fret out and you're wanting to learn that. If you want to dive more into how to do the intermediate things, which is seating, leveling, and crowning your frets, then you can download my free course in the description below, Foolproof Fretwork. Put in your email and it's yours. Now, hopefully that was helpful, and I will see you next week.